Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In today's video we're going to talk about trading the crude oil here on Thursday, February 20th, 2020. And basically every day we're pretty much trading crude oil now for the past year and a half, 2 years, trading 3 contracts. Experience matters. For those of you just trading the first year or two, probably trade 1 or 2 contracts. So we're trading 3 contracts. Use our stop that we use every day of 15. And our goal each day on crude oil is to make $500 on 3 contracts. So we only need 17 ticks to hit it. But to start in the pre-market here, you know, right around 8:45 we're starting. I like to go with the lower profit goal right around 400 and then make one more trade after the first trade to hit our goal. So as you see here, this line right here on the chart is where we started the Autotrader, and it had just come off a downtrend, and going into the 9 o'clock hour, basically the market usually gets a move. And so it got long 3 contracts, 53.91. First profit target was hit 7 ticks later, so there's our $70 profit. Second contract got out at the 03 with 12 ticks, so we're halfway to our profit goal. And then right at 9 o'clock the market gets hits a high here over 54. Flies up to 54.17, 54.20 area. Our third contract is out, and on the third contract we make 25 ticks. So our goal is hit. We got $450 profit. It made 3 trades with 100% winners. So like 98% to my profit goal of 500 a day. So, you know, you got to ask yourself, are you satisfied with that? What is the market doing? Is there news moving the market? Is crude in a tight range? You know, is it moving 10 to 15 ticks, or is it moving 15 to 30 ticks, or is it moving 20 to 40 ticks? So you analyze the ranges on the hour. And so like here down to 53.80 the low to 54.20 the high, that's 40 ticks. So on 3 contracts I could run another trade, not risk much, and hit my profit goal plus some. So as a trader, management comes into play, and you basically got to know, you know, should I keep trading? Should I call it a day? Hey, it's summertime now. I'll go hit some golf balls or go fishing or take my kids and wife out, whatever, you know. So you don't want to be a poker player in Vegas playing poker for 2 to 3 hours. The longer you play, the more you can lose. So if you get a good hand handed to you, you take the money and run, or you reduce your risk and make one more trade. So the market's moving nicely on this day. You know, if this summertime maybe a tight range, I would have called it a day. So let's see the next trade. So after the first trade, we sit out, and the market was kind of dull at 10:30, so we wait for the power hour going into 11 o'clock on this date, as the market usually makes a nice move. It kind of slowly chugged up over 54 and got to the highs here right around the 54.60, 50 area, and then basically going into the power hour is due for a pullback, and that's exactly what happened. Basically it hit a double top or hit the highs again, and trend change. Market Autotrader gets short 3 contracts. Nice little sell-off. We don't need much to hit our $400 goal, and we do. And basically the first contract was hit with 11 ticks. and then the other two contracts got out at 54.35 for a 15 tick profit, and our $400 goal was hit. And like I said, we made our money for today. We don't need to overtrade. It's totally up to the trader and based on market conditions. And we had 2 successful trades, and to be successful, you got to know when to trade, when not to trade, when to take your profits and run. And we're done for the day here. So those are the 2 trades of the day. We hit our goal, and that's how the auto trader works. Now, if you've been trading less than 3 years, you should sit out the 9:30 to 10 o'clock open, because that's where a lot of whipsaw happens, and then there's news on Thursdays that comes out. So you should avoid those time frames. And the biggest time frame to trade is, in the power hour, going from 11 to 12, where the market makes its major moves. Institutions come and put their finances to work, and you'll get the explosive breakouts or breakdowns in your trading. So hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and sign up for our push alerts on our website.